Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. Today starts the November card class to go pre-order, and these are our cards. Wendy Cranford and I come together every month and we do a card class to go. This used to be our card class, our local card class, but as of this month, we are sad to announce that we are not doing our card class to go locally anymore. But you can still purchase the card class to go and do exactly what we did in the class. So if you were attending our class and you still want to do the cards, you can totally do that by just purchasing our card class to go. When you purchase the card class to go, you get all of the products to make these cards, plus you get an exclusive PDF and exclusive videos of us showing you how to put your cards together. So let's go through the options for your ordering. These are the cards. We used the Joyous Noel designer paper, which is this really beautiful designer paper. It has these touches of copper foiling in the paper. It's really pretty. I've used this designer paper quite a lot in the last few weeks and I'm loving it. So these are the cards. Wendy designed this one and she also used some of the beautiful Joyous Noel glimmer paper, which sort of matches my nails this month. So this is really pretty. So this was her card. So let me show you guys what your options are. You can just get our videos and our PDF for $20. And if you're a demonstrator and you already have all this product, or maybe you've already purchased the product and you just want to get the videos to see how to put the cards together, and the PDF, you can do that for $20. All of these options are down below in the YouTube description, over on my Facebook in the YouTube description, or on my website. So videos and kits and PDF only are $20. If you would like to get the kit, so when you get the kits, you get two each of each card to make. So you get a total of 8 projects. So you're going to have 2 each of each design. So you'll get all of the pieces to make the cards. You just need to have the stamp sets or the dies. So you'll need to take that into consideration. The kits, the videos, and the PDF are $25. If you would like, so that's the second option. The third option is you can actually get some product and then you can get your kits and the PDF and the videos all for free. So let me show you guys, or let me tell you guys the products that we have offering this month. So this month you can get the Timeless Tiding stamp set, which is what Wendy used here. That's this stamp set here. So you can get that stamp set and the kit for $32, and you'll get the kits and then that stamp set. I used the Dashing Deer stamp set, and then I also used the framelits. So if you just want the Dashing Deer stamp set, the framelits, and the kits, that's going to be $52.50. If you want both the Timeless Tiding stamp set, which is what Wendy used right here, the Dashing Deer stamp set, and the framelits all together, that is going to be $85. If you want just both of the stamp sets, the Timeless Tiding stamp set and the Dashing Deer stamp set, that's $47, okay? And then we do have an option if you just want the Dashing Deer stamp set, it's $32. So we have 5 different options for you, so hopefully that will fit whatever you are in need of. I know I went through those pretty quickly. Just check the description below on whatever platform you're on. If you are on Facebook, you're gonna want to look in the description. If you're on my website, it will be down below. If you're on YouTube, it is down below in the description. There is a form that you'll click on and you'll fill out and pick your product. So hopefully that's clear. I know there's lots of different options. Today, we have gotten a little bit of feedback that you guys would like more options because some of you have bought product already. Some of you maybe have just one stamp set. Maybe you have one bundle. So we're trying to offer as many different options that are available for you guys. So just check those. You can always leave me a comment or send me an email. So I hope you guys will enjoy these cards this month. I enjoyed putting them together. And if you have any questions, let me know. I hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday. Make sure you come back tomorrow on Thursday for my Hello Christmas series. There will be 2 videos and 2 projects tomorrow because I need to get caught up. So thank you guys so much, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.